What's up, Cfmoto? Kemimoto has hooked us up again with a soft bed cover for the UForce. I don't know the actual name of it, but it'll basically enclose the rear bed like on a Jeep. It'll have soft windows on the sides. Also gives you a back rear window. So it looks super easy to install. It says it takes 30 minutes. Basically, you put the frame together and bolt it to the bed and throw the top on. So we're gonna get started and we'll bring you back when I get the frame put together. But it's a bunch of rods that are numbered, and you simply follow the directions, and it comes with little bolts, and you slide the rods together to build the soft top frame. So we're gonna get started on this. We're super packed in the shop with units, people's units in here doing different things. So we ain't got a whole lot of room cramped up in here right now. But the UForce is definitely stepped up. I'll say that. We put a rough country 2-inch lift on it, and the guy put some 31s on it, system 3s. So there'll be a video coming out this following weekend. We're going to ride bogs, and he'll get to test out his soft top on the back. So we'll get this frame put together and show you how easy it is. So we got all our bars put together. The instructions show you it's real simple, and they send you the Allen tool to put the bolts in with. We got our bases mounted to the back of the UForce and our upright bars. So we're gonna install these across the top, and then it'll be as simple as putting the soft top on the unit. This bed cover has definitely turned out to be a lot nicer and well made, truthfully, than I was expecting. And I think it's going to make the unit look unique, and you know, nobody has one, or you never see one, so why not be unique? That's what we're about at Cfmoto. And just check out the stance of this thing a little bit too. We got the 2-inch Pure Fix spacers put on, and these 31s on the factory wheels with a 2-inch rough country, like I said before. And this UForce is really turning out to be a nice machine. So let's get back to throwing these bars in, and we'll come back to you when we throw the top on. So this is the soft top, made out of some really heavy tarp, and it's shipped very well. Trying to scratch up his window. Figure out how it goes. So this kind of give you a 2-in-1 for having a windshield and keeping the dust from blowing back in on you. This thing is nice. So it's got the Velcro strap so that if you unzip the top and say you want the the back rolled up, you can Velcro this still to where it's supported and not just flopping in the wind. I guess we'll figure out how these go. So those just lock in. So easy install. It says about 30 minutes, and I don't think we near got 30 minutes in the install. Of course, we did use an impact. We'll get this finished, buttoned up and put on the right way, snug down, and let you take a look at it. And yeah. So we got it spun around. I had it on a little backwards, and we got all our hooks tied down, and it makes the windows, they're super clear, and about 95% I would guess waterproof, just because you have little areas that water might drip in, but for the majority of your stuff it's going to stay dry in the back. And like you did here, you can roll each window up. So like we did here, you can roll each side up, and I'm guessing you can't have every side rolled up at one time because that would take the material off the top. There's no Velcro underneath there that holds it to the top. They did think about having bowed top bars though, that way water doesn't sit up there, it will run off to the side. And the way it connects through the front, I mean, it's on there, very nice. And like I said, you can roll up different windows, and so definitely get yours. We'll drop a link in the description. Like, subscribe to this video. We like to bring you different unique products. We're also got some other Kemimoto goodies that are not yet on the market that we're going to be putting and replacing these moose mirrors with some I call them takedown lights and turn signals, but like a LED spotlight in the mirror built in, as well as putting a turn signal kit on from Kemimoto. And so there'll be a lot more UForce content with Kemimoto goodies. So check us out, get yourself one. What's up, guys? We're fixing to do the road test on the Kemimoto cargo cover. We've had it for a little bit now, and still nice. You want to drive? We'll do a road test here and see how she holds up. So this cargo cover would keep stuff dry. And also, if this machine had a front window, it would almost give you a back wind block and probably knock some of the water down. You just can't go really fast with it without the windshield. But I highly recommend a windshield if you run this Kemimoto rear cargo cover, just because the wind is a lot on it. But it's pretty stout, mounts up stout. Check yours out and check it out in the link below, and get yourself one and have a multi-functioning cargo cover. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.